Hi everyone. This is a list about top 10 most amazing car in mirror-mounted video players. Check the links in description after watching this video. I hope I will help you to make the right decision. If you like my list, share it and follow my page to get the latest similar videos. Wolfbox G840, Wolfbox 12 mirror dash cam backup camera, 1296p Full HD Smart Rearview Mirror for cars, trucks, Sony IMX335 front and rear view dual lens, night vision, LDWS, parking assistance, free 32GB card, GPS upgraded from most rearview mirror cameras, Wolfbox 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lens provide an ultra-wide view, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving/reversing. With smart screen split function, you can observe dual lens display simultaneously. With a 2.5D curved screen, the body is more smooth and more suitable for the curvature of the human retina. Its OEM looking makes the mirror camera perfectly integrate with existing mirror. Akaso DL12, Akaso DL12 2.5K mirror dash cam voice control 12 touch screen front and rear dual dash camera for cars, night vision backup camera with Sony Starvis sensor, GPS G-sensor parking assistance. DL12 mirror dash cam provides with Ultra HD video resolution up to 2.5K, 2560 by 1440, offering you much clearer front images. And 1080p rear camera, also providing more remarkable details than 720p. Besides, 170 degrees adjustable front angle lens and 150 degrees rear angle lens ensure to reduce blind area and capture more scene on the road. Togargo, 4K mirror dash cam, GPS full touch screen 12 voice control backup camera, W waterproof reverse rear view camera, night vision dashcam front and rear, W parking assistant, support max 128G features 4K UHD resolution. This mirror dashcam captures clear license plates front and rear your vehicle. The big 12-inch screen is easy to switch front, rear and both camera angle of view. This rear view mirror camera provide you 100% worry-free while driving. Kingslam DL12 Pro, Kingslam DL12 Pro 4K mirror dash cam, 12 front and rear view camera for cars with dual Sony sensor, GPS, super night vision, backup camera and parking assistant, control camera by voice or touch, 12-inch IPS touch screen, easy to set the camera smoothly by your finger. Intelligent voice control function, accuracy of command acceptance is as high as 95%. You can ask the camera to record or stop recording directly when driving. Pormito D50, Pormito triple mirror dash cam 12 with detached front and in-car camera, waterproof backup rear view dashcam, anti-glare 1296p IPS touch screen, Starvis night vision Sony sensor, GPS, parking assistance. Pormito triple rear view mirror camera recording rear, front and in-car view simultaneously, gives you peace of mind inside and outside of your vehicle. You can switch to any view you prefer to display. With the interior camera, you can monitor kids, passengers, pets or even catch the robbers to protect your property. Autovox, Autovox V5 Pro OEM look rear view mirror camera with neat wiring, no glare mirror dash cam, 9.35 full laminated ultra-thin touch screen, dual 1080p super night vision no glare, crystal image. V5 Pro utilizes the full laminated screen to ensure a crystal image without glare even under the intense sunlight. The IMX307 sensor help to restrain the high beam lights to avoid the dazzling situation. A good performance for driving safety at day and night. Vantop VV Link, 2.5K mirror dash cam voice control, dual dash cam with 10 touch screen, rear view mirror camera, waterproof backup camera, parking assist, smart parking mode, loop recording, G-sensor. Dual cams provide clear and total view of cars' surroundings for safe driving. Smart voice control makes it a lot easier to control dash cam. Dual cams provide with Ultra HD video resolution up to 2560 by 1440p, 2.5K. Offer you much clearer footage capturing license plates from a distance. 170 degrees adjustable front lens and 160 degrees rear lens cover total 330 degrees field of view to reduce blind area and capture more scenes on the road. Pormito PR996, Pormito 2.5K mirror dash cam backup camera 12 large full touch screen front and rear view camera HD waterproof backup car camera 170 wide angle, GPS, Starlight night vision, parking monitor, SD card upgraded from most rear view mirror cameras. Pormito 12 square rear view mirror provides you a ultra wide view of what's behind, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving/reversing. With smart screen split function, you can observe dual lens displays simultaneously. Jansight, upgraded 10 mirror dash cam night vision front and rear 1080p backup camera FHD full touch screen car recorder with loop recording, G sensor, parking monitor 170 wide angle 10-inch mirror dash cam streaming media full touch screen dash cam, both 1080p front and 1080p rear camera, super night vision, long 10 meters backup camera cable, support 128G SD card max. J. Junsun, backup camera 10-inch mirror dash cam dual lens front rear dash camera 1080p full touch screen video streaming rear view mirror loop recording, parking monitor, night vision, waterproof rear camera 10-inch streaming media rear view mirror features a full HD IPS touchscreen allows you to see more traffic information. With an 170 degrees ultra-wide lens to cover the entire road ahead and capture all the critical details like license plates and signposts, etc. All operations can be easily navigated by swiping your fingers with touchscreen and it works as a normal rear view mirror after screensaver is on.